Forged TSA lock, solving the switch won't move issue. 1. The switch won't move to the right? If the switch on the back of the lock can't be moved, don't force it. This is usually because the code is incorrect. This situation is very rare. 2. How do I fix it? Please unlock the lock first. The reset switch can only be moved when the lock is open. If not, you'll need to find the correct code to move the switch. If it's a new lock, try codes like 100, 010, 110, 011, 022, 009, 090, or 900, just 1 or 2 digits off. 3. Why isn't the code working? Sometimes the code hasn't been reset perfectly, or there's a small misalignment. That's why it's important to try variations of the code. Still stuck? Contact us with your order number and best shipping address. We'll make it right.